up to space.
We should go get the baseball. I wanted to go to space since 5 seconds ago.
But how are we going to get to space?
We'll build a rocket ship, dummy.
But how do we build a rocket ship?
Get a book from the library. We'll look in the space aisle.
So, when are we going?
Now!
We're here at the library.
Hey, here's a sign. Lily, can you please read it?
Okay. No animals allowed. By animals, I mean Lily, Murphy, Luna, and Sean.
Wait! I don't care. We should go in anyway.
Okay, but we have to be stealthy like ninjas.
Murphy, ninjas are not stealthy. They're sneaky, but okay.
Let's go. What are you doing? You aren't supposed to be here.
Wait, why? Why aren't we supposed to be here? Am I annoying?
Yes, Luna. Yes, you are annoying. Miss Thistle, this is what we're actually here for. We need a rocket ship.
Yes, we need to build a rocket, so we need a book to know how to build one.
Well, I just finished building a rocket ship. Not like I'm going to give it to you. Please. Fine, take it and leave and never come back. Well, that was easy.
I call shotgun.
What's the shotgun?
The shotgun is the passenger seat in the front.
Ooh, look, a hot dog stand.
No hot dogs when we can't get distracted from our mission. Wait, what's our mission again?
Our mission, Charlotte, is to get our baseball from space. Can we go now?
Yes.
Let's go. Okay, guys, when we get to Mars, look for a tiny baseball.
Are we there yet?
Almost.
Stop arguing!
For your information, Murphy, we're not arguing.
Wait, I think we're here. Yeah, we are. I think we should look for help, like a search crew.
I don't think there will be any search crews on Mars.
We've been walking for 2 hours. Can we go home now?
No, Luna, we have to find our baseball.
Guys, look.
Hello?